The Fab Four's Now and Then was up for 2 Grammys on November 8, 2024. Best Rock Performance and Record of the Year. Just 2 members of the band, Paul McCartney and Ringo Starr, have been listed as nominees though, as pointed out by Billboard. Because Grammy regulations stipulate that records must have been created within 5 years of their release, John Lennon, who died in 1980, and George Harrison, who died in 2001, are ineligible. Additionally, John Lennon's 1973 boxed edition of Mind Games is ineligible for the Grammy for Best Boxed Edition or Limited Edition package. You can read our evaluation of the set here. It features his son, Sean Ono Lennon, who is nominated. With these nominations, Now and Then, sometimes hailed as the final Beatles song, ends an incredible journey. Originally recorded by Lennon in the late 1970s, Now and Then is a demo. Using state-of-the-art audio technology created for Peter Jackson's Get Back documentary project, McCartney and Starr revitalized the song with the assistance of producer Giles Martin, who happens to be the son of the renowned Beatles producer George Martin. The use of this technique made it possible to recover Lennon's voice from the original audio accurately. One possible reading of Lennon's Now and Then lyrics, which I investigated back then, is that they are a heartfelt tribute to Paul and the Beatles. Lennon reportedly said McCartney, "Think of me now and then, old friend," in their last moments together, as recounted by Carl Perkins. That last song is just great, almost like John's love letter, Martin informed me in 2023. This is so John. I don't mean, I miss you from time to time. It sounds like it's John writing to all of them, Martin said, for what it's worth. To my ears, it sounds like that. In the 1990s, when working on the Beatles anthology, Now and Then was one of 3 songs that got underway. The others were Free as a Bird and Real Love. After Harrison called fucking rubbish, he put Now and Then on hold while the other 2 songs were finished and published. Featuring fresh recordings by McCartney and Starr, as well as vocals by Lennon and guitar parts by Harrison from the 1990s, the tune was revived in 2023 and has contributions from all 4 Beatles. In addition to using layered harmonies from Because, Here, There, and Everywhere, and Eleanor Rigby, McCartney evoked Harrison's distinctive approach in a new slide guitar solo.